Hi, good day all. This is Asa from Men's Trinkets and thank you very much for joining me. For today's episode, we are going to be using vellum and I'm just going to show you a couple of ways which we can use vellum. This is part 2. There's a part 1 video where I've showed you before how to use vellum as well. It's really quick. It's really easy. So stay with me and let's get started. And these are the vellum sheets that I used. It says it here, transparent vellum, London 50 sheets, matte. And this is the printed images on vellum paper. It's such a soft, pretty paper. And I also printed one just with black and white with the name. You can have it printed. You can basically print any design that you wish on vellum. It's a versatile and pretty paper. And for those of you who wish to design your own wedding invitation, the vellum paper works really nice as a vellum jacket. And you can place a wax seal or ribbon. In my case, I'm using a ribbon. And for those of you who are into card designing, vellum is a must. It adds such a softness and beauty to a simple card. So I'll just show you an example here. This is a card. This is a piece of vellum and this is a card. And when the vellum is stuck on the card like that, it makes such a difference. So soft, elegant, and nice. Vellum paper also make pretty liners. So this is just a plain simple pink envelope. And this is the one that I just drew a pattern on. And you can stick it in there to make a pretty liner. Remember, when you're using vellum, it always has to be a very tiny bit of glue. And spread it evenly. Oops. We're just going to stick it down and press it down. It's a bone folder. And this is it. This is our pretty liner vellum for our envelope. So I'm just going to trace one of these designs to show you how it looks. You can use any book to trace. I'm using this journal. And this is the pen I'm using. It's a white ink pen and it's a hybrid gel pen. So you can just place it over your image. And just trace it. You see how pretty it looks? And with vellum, you can also trace over with pen. White on vellum looks really pretty. And of course, you can use vellum in your journal to cover over a page. Oh, and this is the cottage core journal, and these are the vellum pockets that I made. 2 vellum pockets. So you can just use a page and add your vellum. And just stick your vellum over the page. And that's it. And this is all. And you see the beautiful finish you get. Of course, this can be done over a page with writing, dictionary page, etc. And of course, because you can print anything on vellum, I've printed my own little cute logo with my name, Mince Trinkets, just very simple black and white, which you can use as wrapping paper to send all your products to your customers. And you can fold it and make a pretty wrapping paper. And you can also use a gold pen or any other colored pen that you have to trace. Gold and white looks really nice on vellum. There, a nice gold butterfly. And there you have it. These are just of some of the amazing ways that you can use vellum. This is part 2. If you have not looked at part 1 video, please do so. Thank you for joining me.